Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for, of course, you. Today, let me introduce you the brand new Nintendo Switch 2. Let's get the Nintendo Switch 2 out of the box today. The Nintendo Switch 2 is a hybrid video game console developed by Nintendo. Released in the most regions on June 5th of 2025. Oh, that's a nice package, as you can see. And it's a package in a package, so get the first box out and have a look what's inside now. Another package. The Switch 2 entered development in 2019 with a focus on backward compatibility with Switch games, like the original Switch. It can be used as a portable handheld, and then as a tablet or connected via a dock on an external display. The Joy-Con 2 controllers, as you can see here now, they can be used while attached to or detached from the device. It has a larger liquid crystal display and more internal storage than the original Switch. It has updated the graphics controllers and social features. It supports 1080p resolution and 120Hz refresh rate in handheld or tablet mode, and 4K resolution with 60Hz refresh rate when docked. Games are available through the physical game cards and Nintendo's digital eShop. Some game cards contain no data but allow players to download the game content. We select the Switch games can be used the improved Switch 2 performance through either free or paid updates. And the Switch 2 retains the Nintendo Switch Online subscription service, which is required for some multiplayer games and provides access to the Nintendo Switch Classic library of emulated games from older consoles. GameCube games are exclusive to the Switch 2 under the expansion pack tier. The game chat features allows players to chat remotely and share screen and webcams. And Nintendo revealed the Switch 2 on January 16, 2025 and announced it in a full specification release details on April 2. Pre-order in the most regions began on April 5th. The Switch 2 has criticized for its cost, being priced 50% above the Switch, and the higher cost from some first-party games. And like its predecessors, the Switch 2 is a hybrid console, which can be used as both a handheld console or placed into a dock connected to a television or monitor to be played like a home console. The unit maintains a similar form factor as the Switch and consists the main body that includes the screen and primary hardware and two Joy-Con 2 devices that can be attached to the main unit sides in a handheld mode, or it can communicate wirelessly to the main unit when docked. And along the existing ports from the Nintendo Switch design, which includes the USB-C port on the bottom, which also serves as its power source and connect within a dock, a headphone jack, and a cartridge slot. The Nintendo Switch 2 includes a second USB-C port on the top of the unit, and an internal microphone with noise cancellation. The Switch 2 uses a 7.9 inches, these are 20 centimeter LCD touchscreen with 1080p resolution and HDR, which supports a variable refresh rate of up to 120Hz. When docked, the console can output to 1440p at 120Hz or 4K resolution at 60Hz with HDR. The original Switch included an OLED revision, and while Nintendo had consoles using an OLED for the Switch 2, hardware design lead Tatsuya Sasaki said they opted to use the LCD due to the advantage in LCD technology, including support of HDR. Unlike the first generation model, the dock also contains a built-in Ethernet connector and a cooling fan. The system on a chip, the NVIDIA Tegra T239, codenamed Drake, features an octa-core AMR Cortex a 78C CPU, a 12 ampere GPU with 1536 ampere base CUDA cores, and 128-bit LPDDR5X memory interface, rated to 8533 MT per second. 12 GB of its memory is prevented over two 6 GB chips and provides around 102 GB per second docked and 68 GB per second handheld of bandwidth. The Switch 2 supports NVIDIA's Deep Learning Super Sampling, DLSS technology, and ray tracing, and super variable refresh rates through an NVIDIA G-Sync in handheld mode through the Tensor and the RT cores. It supports Wi-Fi 6 too. So this console is now unboxed, and that's all what you get in the box. And this is the console, the next-gen console, which is made by Nintendo. This is the Nintendo Switch 2, baby.